Hello, this is Esther from Cemantica. Hope you're doing well. It's summertime. And imagine that you've been on vacation in July, you had a good time, and now we are in August and you came back to the office, and then your boss is sitting down with you and telling you that he would like to review the journey of the a new product implementation. You're like, that's a great idea. We have time to do that during August. So then you're like, yes, but I have a couple of emails that I have to take a look at today, because I was not here for the last couple of weeks. So then you think a little bit harder and you're like, yes, but I've been using Cemantica for a couple of months, but I've never tried Alex AI. Maybe that's the right time to do it. And then you're like, maybe Alex can help me, build the fundamental of this journey, and maybe then I can customize it. All right, let's try it. So then you jump on Cemantica and you hit generate journey map with Alex. Let's try. And let's see, let's write the prompt. So generate a new medicine implementation journey. Sorry, yes, we are in the pharmaceutical industry here, but it could be, any type of industry like insurance, finance, retail, etc. So then you would like Alex to generate the touch point, the pains, the gains, the findings, the opportunity, and solution. Your persona will be Alex today. All right. So let's hit generate. So then, he's starting, to build this journey. Alex is starting to build a journey. It will take about 2 minutes to 8 minutes, depending on the complexity of the journey, to generate the journey. Here we go. This is the new medicine implementation journey generated by Alex. So Alex has 3 sources. The first one is all the information journey persona document that you have stored in your Cemantica environment. So you will get inspired by it. Then you have a second source, which is the public information on your industry available. And then the third source is the Cemantica methodology and structure. We want to make sure that every information that it generates is structured correctly. All right, so let's review the map quickly. So we have the different stages that were built, the stage description. Alex has listed all the different interaction. We have the pain points, the gain points, findings. He's listed also some opportunity and solution. I think that's a great way to start the week, right? Then I can talk with my team, and then we can review that, enrich it, modify it, and we don't start from scratch. All right? Thank you very much for listening. If you would like to get more information, you can go to on our website, cemantica.com, or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you, and have a great summer. Bye-bye.